Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in dropshipping with Instacart step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding what dropshipping is. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding any inventory.
Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers.
Next, research the dropshipping market.
Identify profitable niches that align with current trends. Analyze competitors to understand their pricing and marketing strategies. Create a business plan outlining your goals and budget.
Choose a reliable platform for your dropshipping store.
Shopify and WooCommerce are popular options. Now, let's integrate Instacart into your dropshipping strategy.
Sign up for an Instacart account if you haven't already.
Explore the products available on Instacart.
Identify items that can be sold at a markup.
Start building your online store by adding these products.
Craft compelling product descriptions that attract customers. Set competitive prices while factoring in your costs.
Next, design a user-friendly website or online storefront. Make sure your logo and visuals reflect your brand.
Establish payment processing methods for customer transactions. Consider options like PayPal, Stripe, or credit card processors.
Now, focus on marketing your dropshipping store.
Utilize social media platforms to create awareness.
Invest in targeted online ads to reach a broader audience.
Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic.
Create valuable content related to your niche to engage potential customers.
Monitor your store's performance regularly. Use analytics to understand customer behavior and sales trends. Adjust your strategies as needed based on the data.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.